All right, Georgia JV Sports Cards here. We're doing a box of 12-13 Elites for the Mick. Good luck, Brian. Kobe's, home base. Base. Oh, Gold Center is nice, man. Old school jersey, Alex English, the Nuggets. Are you going to give me problems on the Alex English jersey? Not numbered? Craftsman Durant. Derek Williams Elite. Elite Series insert. Alvin Hayes. Michael Kidd Gilchrist to $5.99. Arnett Moultrie to $5.99. Mark Jackson is your first autograph. God bless you. That's 9 of 25. Short print. 9 of 25. Mark Jackson. Kevin Durant. First hit is Darius Morris. Lake Show. So I was looking at the starting lineup for the Lakers. What did they play yesterday? I was like, who the hell are these guys? For the Pistons, Kim English. Like Ryan Kelly is starting for the Lakers right now. Ryan freaking Kelly. Steve Novak, Craftsman. Yeah, black. I was like, who the hell is that? Like some D-leaguer they brought up? AI? I mean, what a joke, man. Big O. Wow, Mike. Wow. Orlando Johnson. Die cut to 89. 100 minus jersey number. Thomas Robinson to 599. And last pack. Chandler Parsons Elite Series. There you go, Brian. Appreciate it again, man.